Good morning. What a beautiful truck you have here. It is so colorful and bright.
Hello there. Thank you for the kind words. I just opened my business today.
My name is Lily. I am an English teacher in the school nearby.
I am Sam. I am the chef and the owner of this truck.
It smells amazing here. Are you cooking something with cinnamon and sugar?
Yes, I am. I am baking fresh apple pies for the morning guests.
That sounds wonderful. I love the smell of warm apples in the morning.
Do you want to try a small piece? It is still very hot.
I would love to, but first I must ask about your menu.
My menu is very simple. I have coffee, tea, and 3 types of pie.
I see you have some mistakes in the English names. May I help you?
Oh, please do. I am a good cook, but my English is poor.
We can work together. I will teach you words and you will cook.
That is a great deal. I need to learn many food words.
Let's start now. This is not a bread cake, it is a pastry.
A pastry? That word sounds very elegant and very professional.
Exactly. And these are not red fruits, they are seasonal berries.
Seasonal berries. I like how it sounds in my ears.
You have a good accent. You just need more practice every day.
I am a bit shy. I'm afraid to talk to my customers.
Don't be shy. People care more about your food than your grammar.
You are very kind, Lily. Your smile makes me feel confident.
I am happy to help. Let's write the new menu on this board.
I have some chalk. What color should we use for the titles?
Let's use bright yellow. It is a very happy and appetizing color.
Appetizing. Does that mean it makes people want to eat?
Yes, exactly. It is a very useful word for a chef.
I am learning so much. My first customer is coming now.
I will stand here. I will help you if you forget a word.
Thank you, Lily. Let's start our first tasty lesson today.
Come inside, Lily. I want to show you my kitchen.
It is very small, but it is very clean and organized.
A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. I clean everything twice a day.
What are these green leaves? They have a very strong smell.
This is my secret. I put them in every vegetable soup.
In English, we call this basil. It is a very popular herb.
Basil. It grows in my grandmother's garden in the countryside.
That is lovely. Fresh herbs are much better than dry ones.
I also have these yellow sticks. I don't know the name.
Those are cinnamon sticks. They are perfect for your apple pies.
Cinnamon. It is a difficult word to spell for me.
C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N. I will write it in your notebook.
Thank you. Now, look at this very large purple vegetable.
That is an eggplant. It is very healthy and delicious.
Eggplant. Why does it have the word egg in it?
Some people think it looks like a large egg. It is funny, right?
It is very funny. English is a very strange language sometimes.
I agree with you, but it is also very creative and fun.
I want to make a special dish for you today.
What will it be? I am very hungry now.
It is a secret. I need to use my spices first.
Spices are things like salt, pepper, and ginger.
Yes, I have some ginger right here in this jar.
Ginger is very aromatic. It gives a warm taste to food.
Aromatic. You have a word for every single smell, Lily.
That is why I love English. It describes the world very well.
The dish is ready now. It is a spicy vegetable mix.
It looks beautiful. The colors are very vibrant and rich.
Vibrant and rich. I will remember these words from my menu.
Let's taste it. I am ready for the flavor explosion. Oh my, this is very spicy and very hot.
Is it too much? I put 3 small red peppers inside.
It is a bit strong, but the taste is very complex.
Complex. Does that mean it has many different flavors?
Yes, exactly. It is not just one simple taste.
I want to make it milder for the local children.
Mild is the opposite of spicy. It is a good idea.
I can add some cream. Cream makes every sauce smooth.
Smooth and creamy. Those are perfect words for your soup.
What about this cake? Is it too sweet for you?
No, it is perfect. It is sweet, but not sugary.
What is the difference? I thought they were the same.
Sugary means it has too much white sugar inside.
Oh, I see. My cake is sweet because of the honey.
Honey is a natural sweetener. It is much more healthy.
Healthy food is my main goal. I want people to feel good.
You are a very thoughtful chef, Sam. I like your philosophy.
Thoughtful. I will add this to my About Me page.
Let's talk about the texture. This bread is very crunchy.
Crunchy. Like the sound when you walk on dry leaves?
Yes, precisely. It has a very nice crunch in every bite.
I love that sound. It means the bread is fresh.
And the inside is very soft and fluffy.
Fluffy, like a white cloud in the summer sky.
You are becoming a poet, Sam. That is a perfect comparison.
Your lessons are not boring. They're like a big adventure.
Learning should always be an adventure. It should be exciting.
Exciting. I feel excited when I cook for many people.
Actually, you feel excited. The cooking is exciting.
Ah, I see. Thank you for the correction, Teacher Lily.
Oh no, there are so many people today. I am a bit overwhelmed.
Don't worry, Sam. I will help you with the orders.
Can you really? You are a guest, not my assistant.
I am your friend. Friends help when things are hectic.
Hectic? Does that mean very busy and a bit crazy?
Yes, you cook the burgers and I will take the money.
Okay, please tell them the soup is sold out.
Sold out means you have no more soup left.
Exactly. I only have 10 portions of chicken left.
I will tell the customers. I will be very polite.
Thank you, Lily. You are a very efficient worker.
Efficient. I like that word. It means I work fast.
One customer wants a well-done burger. What is that?
It means the meat is cooked thoroughly, no pink color.
Okay, and the other person wants it rare.
Rare means it is cooked for a very short time.
I understand now. Rare is fast, well done is slow.
Perfect. I will give them their receipts now.
Receipts, the small papers with the price on them.
Yes, and don't forget to say, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. It sounds very hospitable and warm.
You are a natural. The queue is getting shorter now.
We are a team. We work together very well.
A dream team. That is what people say in English.
I am exhausted, but I am also very satisfied.
Exhausted means you are very, very tired.
Yes, I need a large beverage and a chair.
Beverage is any type of drink. I have some water.
Thank you, Lily. You saved my business today.
It was my pleasure. I enjoyed every busy minute.
Today is your turn, Lily. I will teach you how to cook.
I am a bit clumsy in the kitchen. I hope I don't break anything.
Clumsy. It means you drop things often?
Yes, exactly. I am not very good with my hands.
Don't worry. I will be very patient with you.
Thank you. What is the first step of the recipe?
First, we must peel the potatoes. Use this small knife.
Peel. I am removing the skin from the vegetable.
Correct. Now we must chop the onions into small cubes.
Chop, Chop, chop. My eyes are starting to water.
Onions are very strong. It is normal to cry a little.
I am crying, but I am still happy. This is fun.
Now, melt some butter in the large pan.
The butter is turning into liquid. It smells very rich.
Good. Now we stir everything together with a spoon.
Stir. I am moving the spoon in a circle.
Don't forget to season the food with some salt.
Seasoning is the most important part of cooking, right?
Yes, without salt, the food is bland and boring.
Bland, like water or plain white rice?
Exactly. Now we must simmer the sauce for 10 minutes.
Simmer. Does that mean a very low heat?
Yes, not a big boil, just small bubbles.
I am learning culinary English today. This is very useful.
You are a very attentive student. You listen very well.
I want to cook a delicious dinner for my parents.
They will be very proud of your new skills.
Look, the sauce is getting thick and dark.
It is ready. Now we can serve it with some bread.
I am so excited to taste my first homemade dish.
Lily, look at all these people. They came to celebrate my first month.
It is a huge success, Sam. I am so happy for you.
I have a surprise for you. Look at my new menu board.
Lily's favorite apple pie. Oh, Sam, that is so sweet.
You are my inspiration. You helped me find my voice.
Your English is now excellent. You speak so fluently.
I still make some mistakes, but I am not afraid anymore.
Mistakes are natural. They're a part of the journey.
I want to expand my business. I want a second truck.
Expand. That is a very ambitious goal, Sam.
I want to travel to other cities. I want to see the world.
You can share your tasty food with many new people.
But I don't want to go alone. I will miss our lessons.
I will miss them too. Our Saturdays were very special.
Maybe we can write a cookbook together.
A cookbook. I will write the stories and you will write the recipes.
It will be a bestseller, I'm sure of it.
We can call it The Language of Flavor.
That is a very elegant and poetic title.
Let's take a photo together for the first page.
Stand next to the truck. I will wear my best chef hat.
1, 2, 3, cheese.
Cheese. Why do English people say a food word for a photo?
Because it makes your mouth form a smile.
English is always surprising me.
I am very grateful for our friendship, Sam.
I am grateful too. You are the best teacher in the world.
And you are the best chef in this entire park.
Let's celebrate our partnership with some more pie.
To our future, Sam. To more vibrant and tasty days.